Hi, I'm Craig. Welcome to the Battery Shop. Today we'll show you how to replace the 12-volt battery in this 2019 Audi Q7. It's actually tucked away right here in the floorboards. It's a little bit harder to get to. For that reason, we recommend you check with your manufacturer's step-by-step instructions to make sure you're familiar with the project, you have everything you need, you don't forget anything, you can safely and efficiently replace the battery in this vehicle. Here's how it's done. We are using a host battery to keep the computer's memories alive while replacing the battery. The first step is to switch off the ignition and then adjust the right front seat as far back as possible. Then remove the floor mat from the footwell. And then remove the battery cover by sliding it towards the center console. With gloves and safety glasses on, the next step is to remove the electrical connector from the negative battery cable. This can be done by moving the tab and removing the connector. Now we can loosen the fastener for the negative battery cable using your 10mm wrench and remove the negative battery cable from the negative battery terminal. And then loosen the fastener for the positive battery cable, again using your 10mm wrench. Remove the positive battery cable from the positive battery terminal. And set it on top of the battery to allow access to the retainer bracket bolts. The next step is to loosen the fasteners for the battery retainer bracket. You'll need a 13mm wrench for that. And remove the battery retainer strap. And the battery retainer bracket. Then remove the central venting system hose from the side of the battery. Now we can remove the old battery. And install the replacement battery. Then reinstall the central venting system hose back into the side of the battery. And check the hose for any kinks or cracks. Be sure to install the vent plug into the side of the battery opposite the vent hose tube. This can be done after the battery has been installed. The vent plug should come with your battery. The next step is to reinstall the battery retainer bracket. Reinstall the battery's retaining strap and tighten the bracket fasteners. It's always a good idea to clean up any corrosion on your battery terminals. And cable connections. Now we can reinstall the positive battery cable onto the positive battery terminal. But don't pound these clamps on, as that can cause internal battery damage. And tighten the fastener. Then reinstall the negative battery cable onto the negative battery terminal. And tighten its fastener. and reinstall the electrical connector back onto the negative cable and push the tab to lock it into place. Then, reinstall the battery cover and floor mat. And reposition the seat to the desired position. This vehicle requires the battery to be registered with the computer. We'll show you the steps to do this using a battery tester with registration capabilities. The first step, install the VCI dongle into the OBD2 port. Capture the VIN and confirm the vehicle and battery information. Remove the VCI dongle, and we're done.